In this video, I will show you how I make this sculpture, and our model will be Tortoise. As you can see, the steel bar is already shape of tortoise, and I use different number of steel bar, and the size I use is number 9 and 12. Number 9 is for non-fragile part, which is the upper portions, and number 12 is the lower part, which is the fragile part, is a leg, and that area will be carrying all of the weight of the sculptures. That's why I use bigger steel bars. After the structure of steel bar, I will now apply the screen to give the tortoise informations. And here we are, the screen is all set and we're able to apply cement as much as we can. Just watch how I apply the first layer of the cement in every detail. This is the third layer of the cement, and this part I will add more extra details like this on the neck part. Then after this, I already add the extra details in this tortoise. I will go to the pure cement, because pure cement you will be going to the finishing and cleaning all details you make in the third layer of the cement. And then I will show you on the time lapse, so please bear with me. In this part, I will apply now the final coating of the cement, which is the pure cement, non-mix of sand. Then I will first shape or add details to the face, which is the most important part, the face, or to go into the body or the skin part, because that is the most detailed area in this artwork.